Well, hello there. This is the third video I've made because I mucked up the other two. This is me fitting the old brake flushing kit. Oh dear. See? To the, you see, water flushing it. Hope you can see that. This is going to be a shorter video than the other two because I tried to do it while I was fitting it, but anyway. They say go under the axle and then over, but there's going to be a lot of chafing there, right on that point. Yeah, so I've been over the axle and left loads of room. So, hopefully, and over the back axle as well. Same the other side. Flushing well enough. I'm quite happy with that. And the pipe or plumbing or whatever you want to call it is well out the way. It's not going to affect the boat or the rollers or anything. Followed what the manufacturer said it's set for, going under with a pipe. I went over, as I say, only because of the chafing. Oh. See? Outstanding, if I do say so myself. Now, I'm no DIY person, but if I can do it, I suppose anybody else can do it. Yeah. Oh, a tractor going down to do his rounds. Well, I just came up with a dairy farm up at the top of the hill, or the top of the road there, about half a kilometre. Anyway, so that be that. No, my finger in the way. Right, so all done. Well pleased. I got my little banana sticker, I don't know if you can see it. No bananas allowed on board. There. Yeah. Fantastic. So she's all done. Finito. We've already had it out on the river shore, and that was fun. I just got to do a few other little bits, and that's it all done. Fantastic. Right, bye bye. Huh.